what's up, guys? It's Auggie, back to you with Parts Online Network. Last time you saw a video from us was probably 2 years ago. I decided to feed my foot to a lawnmower. We'll talk about that later, but today is the day we're finally taking Neal's truck to go get tuned. Oh yeah, Neal's car. He loves that. And you had to remind me. So we're taking Neal's car to go get tuned. We have it on the new trailer we bought because, you know, we're moving on up. Big things. So we're ready to head out. Andy, where are we going to take this?
2nd Street Speed in Percy. We're gonna see Bill, and he's gonna tune her up.
Bill, 2nd Street Performance?
Speed.
2nd Street Speed in Percy. We're gonna see Bill, and yeah, so she's all strapped down. And then we also have our friend Aaron, who's been helping us here at the shop.
You done messed up, AA Ron.
Aaron, say hi.
What's up,
let everybody know your Instagram handle or whatnot and what you do.
I'm starting an Audi business for parts and repairs and build and stuff like that. It's I have a group on Facebook, I have a group on Instagram. They're both V8 powered Audi enthusiasts, so go check them out.
I'll have it linked right here around his nipple. But anyway, so all right, so we're getting ready to head out. I'll show you some videos of us driving, filling up with gas, me stuffing my face, all that good stuff. So we'll be back to you in a little bit, and we'll drop her off. And we might be picking up another forklift because Old Reliable died. So thanks. What? It's Chris Winters, right? Yeah.
We're going to Winter Auto Repair.
We're going to Winter Auto Repair,
which is where I was exactly 1 year ago picking up that black regular.
Right there. But yeah, so we're going there, and he's been gracious enough to give us a forklift. It was running when it was parked, so in good old Parts Online Network fashion, it's probably not going to turn on. But we'll get to you there, and we'll see you in a bit. All right, guys. First off, putting gas in Neal's car. We're gonna make sure we fill it with diesel, because you know, big power. But no. So all right, guys. First stop, which we're only what 2-3 miles down from the shop, and then we're on the way to the content to go on to the main voyage and drop this bad boy off so she can make some big power. But yep, on to the next. All right, guys, we are finally here at 2nd Street Speed here in Percy. Andy is currently taking the straps off of Neal's car, and we're gonna go inside. We're gonna talk to the wizard in there and see if we can get everything taken care of and documented for this bad boy. But we're here. It was a nice little drive. We had a few Toyotas try to jump in front of us like we weren't hauling 5,000 pounds plus the weight of the trailer, but whatever. But yeah, so we'll get back to you in a bit, and yeah, we'll just see when we get inside. All right, guys, how you doing? We're back here with 2nd Street Speed. Bill's in there playing with the computer, doing all his magic wizardry stuff. Andy went to go use the bathroom, so we dropped her off, gave Bill all the information on the injectors, the supercharger, and the overall build. So he'll let us know when he starts putting a map in this thing, because it's running awfully rich because of the bigger injectors and running the stock packs and tune. So once this gets up, said and done, if time and schedule permits, Bill will let us know when he's ready to do some dyno pulls, and it'll take me about an hour to drive all the way back out here. But for the content for you guys, and of course I will try out for Neal, because we need to get his car videoed on the dyno. So yeah, now we're about to head out because we have to go pick up a forklift. I don't think it's gonna happen because we don't have a winch on the new trailer, and this forklift does not run. Well, it ran when parked, so again, I don't think it's gonna run, and other than that, there's gonna be no way for us to get it on there. So but yeah, so that's it. There's a lot of power sitting in this shop, in this parking lot. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, so hopefully we'll get back to you. I'm thinking I should end the video of this today after we get the forklift, and then the follow-up with the dyno pulls and everything will be for another video. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Auggie. So we're here at a friend's business, Winter Auto Repair. We were here to pick up a forklift, but it wound up being a little rough and didn't want to turn on. It wasn't getting any propane fed to it. But yeah, he's currently on his way to take his Ferrari to the dealership because it blew an oil line, and he's towing it with an SRT 10. And that is how you tow a Ferrari with a cammed SRT 10. So that's cool. See you in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? Yesterday was crazy. We did going to drop off Neal's car to 2nd Street Speed, and we wind up going to Winter Auto Repairs and picking up the tire, not the forklift, because it wouldn't run, it wouldn't feed in propane to the engine, so it wouldn't turn on. So that was pretty much it. Wasn't too crazy of a day. But once the wizard Bill from 2nd Street Speed gets back to us and lets me know when he's going to do some dyno runs, hopefully, if time permits, I'll be able to drive out there to take some videos. So for you guys and for Neal, because his car needs to be documented. But yeah, so in the next video, when it comes to the dyno run or whatever, I'll explain to you all the stuff we've been doing to the shop so far. It's a lot, and yeah. Just kind of update you guys, since it's been a long time since we've been on, because I hurt myself and then we had to just reevaluate things with the business. But talk to you guys later, and in the next episode, hopefully that is the dyno, and we'll see you there.